share something new we picked up for the truck. You know, it's great when we're out camping in Death Valley, getting groceries at the store, hooked up to our travel trailer, and, you know, out in the middle of nowhere. It's called basically a hood solar panel. So as you can see here, this is the hood solar panel. You can see all the solar on there. This is made out of fiberglass. Has all the watertight connectors. It has a 3M adhesive on the border and then an X on the center so it doesn't lift when you're going down the road. And then we'll make sure you don't bend it. You know, obviously you can break the crystals in the solar panel. So I'll show you what it looks like on the hood, but real quick. So this is a complete kit. It does come with a vinyl that you put down the hood of your truck. So, you know, it will not ruin your paint if you ever had to remove it. Includes obviously the installation kit for the vinyl. Includes your solar charger. So this will do, you know, monitor the 65 watts as it's charging your batteries. Our Ram 2500 with the Cummins obviously has 2 batteries. So, you know, this should keep the batteries topped off at all times. Unless you have a catastrophic both battery failure, you know, you keep this plugged in, you should be able to start your truck pretty much anywhere. You know, so it's a great thing. We have a 12-volt freezer combo for camping. And when we're out like in the dirt, Death Valley with the rooftop tent, that type of stuff, we could leave it plugged into the truck and obviously keep the batteries topped off. Make sure we're starting in the morning. You know, so this is a great thing if you're ever with your travel trailer and, you know, you're always worried about you're trying to start your truck if your batteries ever die. You could even, you know, it's not really recommended you leave your trailer hooked up to your truck, your tow vehicle. But if you did and you have 2 batteries in your truck, then you have a battery or 2 in your vehicle, you know, that's that much extra power. And then obviously your truck would be charging the batteries in your truck. And if you have power solar in your trailer, that'd be charging that part. So pretty cool. So yeah, very cool. So this is what the panel will look like basically on the hood of the truck. See there, it's not down. I just have it sitting up here. But it is nice shiny, so it'll reduce the glare when you're traveling. You know, this big, huge white hood on this Ram. Obviously, it'll be nice to break that up a little bit. And like I mentioned, it's 65 watt. They do have additional, it's 135 watt total, but the panels go right here. And, you know, we don't need that much, so this would be plenty. But super excited to get this installed and give it a try. Have to do some Death Valley runs, and obviously camping, our favorite KOA here in Meadow Cliff, and obviously throughout the Nevada desert, some California. We'll see about that. All right. I'll send do an updated video when it's completely done too. See ya.